Since nearly all of the best Android phones pack more than enough power to handle even the most demanding games, you may wonder what makes a gaming phone stand out from the pack. While the lines are blurring, serious gaming still demands things that not every smartphone can deliver. After all, there's more to enjoying modern games than just raw performance. Dedicated gaming phones include features like side-mounted touch controls, high refresh and touch response rates, built-in gaming optimization software, and even cooling systems, which dramatically improve the gaming experience. However, if you're planning on pairing your phone with a game controller, you may not need fancy hardware features. See, modern general-purpose flagships also offer stunning AMOLED screens with high refresh rates, while also packing in excellent camera systems and other everyday features that will help you be a productivity machine by day and a gaming champion by night. We've tested dozens of smartphones to see how well they play the latest game titles and rounded up our top picks so you can get the phone that plays the games that you want. Nubia Redmagic NS Pro. Stylish flagship performance without the price tag. Nubia launches a new Redmagic gaming phone worldwide in winter, then follows up in summer with an upgraded model for the same price. While we can certainly criticize Nubia for a wasteful production strategy that sees their phones removed for sale months after their debut, there's no denying that the Redmagic 9S Pro is the best gaming phone you can buy right now. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version chipset is just the tip of the iceberg. This phone offers a comprehensive gaming platform with genuinely useful features without compromising on style. The Redmagic 9S Pro is a perfectly rectangular glass brick. That's not even a camera bump. This gives the phone a uniform and stylish profile while still managing to pack in all the features we want in a gaming phone. The aforementioned Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset is the powerhouse behind the phone, but it's supplemented by an AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, 2 touch triggers with a 520Hz touch sample rate, and an internal fan to keep it all cool. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. Asus has made some of the best gaming phones for years now, and while the ROG Phone 8 Pro is no exception, it's changed the formula slightly to produce a more well-rounded flagship. While we think that detracts some of what made the company's ROG lineup unique, it still has some strong hardware and software features that will appeal to gamers without painting them into too much of a corner in other areas. For starters, you get Asus's gaming flavor, Android 14, plus Armoury Crate to launch your games in managed settings and performance for each one. The ROG Phone 8 Pro also still features ultrasonic air triggers for in-game control, plus the ability to power the device without charging so that you won't need to worry about excessive heat, putting a strain on your battery during demanding gaming sessions. The OnePlus 12R. This year, OnePlus surprised us with a very affordable phone that could easily pass for a flagship, making it one of the best picks for gamers on a budget. The OnePlus 12R packs Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and while that may not be the latest and greatest, it's a proven workhorse that delivers more than enough power for even the most demanding game. There is also an expansive 6.78-inch display that rivals that found on phones at twice the price, featuring vibrant colors, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an eyeball-searing 4,500 nits of peak brightness. It also oozes the slick design that OnePlus is known for, with a prominent circular camera array around the back that's offset against the cool blue or iron gray finishes. Plus, there's the Genshin Impact Edition. That alone could make this phone a must-have for serious fans of that particular title. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Although it's not the first smartphone that comes to mind when you think of gaming phones, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra should be the go-to choice for folks who want a premium smartphone that's great at just about everything. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip is Samsung's bespoke for Galaxy version, which gives it a performance edge over other similarly equipped smartphones. It also continues to have the best display you'll find on any smartphone today, since Samsung makes its own AMOLED panels and naturally reserves the best of those for its own phone. It's a solid gaming phone that also packs powerful cameras and advanced productivity features thanks to its S Pen. Apple iPhone 16. While Google's Play Pass subscription is a cheap way to access thousands of games, iOS's Apple Arcade is a better curated library that contains some of the best mobile games out now. What's more, Apple has exclusive rights to publish mobile ports of AAA console games like Resident Evil Village, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed Mirage. These aren't stripped-down mobile spin-offs either, but full-featured ports. What's more, the iPhone 16's A18 chip is able to handle them with ease, with minimal frame rate drops and performance issues. This processor handily beats the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. For console-quality AAA gaming, the iPhone 16 can't be beat. OnePlus 12. The OnePlus 12 is another versatile smartphone that's ready to tackle everything, from the latest games to your daily productivity, photography, and social media needs. Like the other most powerful phones on this list, you're getting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip that will let you slice through the most demanding games with app launch. The OnePlus 12 pairs this with an incredibly bright 4500 nit LTPO AMOLED display that sports 120Hz refresh rate and all the usual HDR modes, meaning your games will look great even when playing outside on bright days. Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. The Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra is practically identical to its gamer sibling, the ROG Phone 8 Pro. What sets it apart from its gamer-oriented counterpart is the design and more minimalist take on the user interface. The Zenfone 11 Ultra is nearly stock Android, featuring a few additional features from Asus that offer the whole package in a still relatively compact form factor. The phone sports a large 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate that can reach 144Hz while gaming, providing an even better and more responsive experience.